Let's make tacos!
Let's make tacos. Satomi, what do we need?
We need some meat,
Meat,
lettuce,
lettuce,
tomatoes,
tomatoes,
onion,
onion,
avocado,
avocado,
yogurt,
yogurt,
salsa,
salsa,
cheese,
cheese,
and taco seasoning.
taco seasoning. And we need
Some plates and bowls and spoons for serving.
serving. Here you are. Itadakimasu.
Alright, let's get started.
Let's cook the meat first. Turn on the heat.
Turn on the heat to medium.
Oh.
High?
Yep, medium. Medium high, yep.
Okay.
While you're waiting, you can start by cutting your onion. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you know how to hold a knife? Hand on top, not on the side. First for the onion, let's cut the ends and say goodbye. Push forward and cut down. Push forward and cut down. And next we want to peel the onion. You take the knife and roll it forward. There we go. And we can peel off the first layer. Bye-bye. See you. Cut the onion in half. Right there. We want to cut out. Just want to make a small cut slowly, carefully. Bye-bye. Next, we want to dice the onion very, very small. We want to make small slices on the onion half with the onion, not this way. So go down.
These big.
Leave just a little bit right here to keep it together. Watch your fingers. Next, we want to slice down.
The onion in a bowl.
Next, we're going to put a little water in the onions so they're not so strong. Ta-da!
Put it on the side.
And put it aside. Meat.
Alright, let's put the meat in. Need some spatula.
Okay, next let's cut our tomatoes as Satomi is browning. These are called cherry tomatoes. First, we want to twist and take off everything. Next, let's wash. Once the tomatoes are washed, these are very small, so we just want to cut in half the back of the knife here. Push and cut. And then push, turn, and push and cut. They're about this big. Okay? One more time.
Okay. Alright. We'll put some seasoning and some water. Mix it.
Mixy mix, 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 mix.
200 milli.
200 millis of water into that.
Mix it, mix it. Alright, and
Put
put
on
the
the top.
lid on.
And turn it down. Yep, turn it down just a little bit. Next, avocado time. Ta-da! So we have our onions and our tomatoes. Now, avocado, be careful, okay? In here, there's a big pit. So we want to cut around that pit. In a straight line. Like if feel the pit and just roll, 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 roll the knife. Okay, once it's cut, I'm going to twist. Ta-da! Next, take a small spoon, just stick it in. Bye-bye. Next, we want to take the same spoon and go around the skin. Around the skin. Around, around, around. Around, around, around. Around. And down on the cutting board. Ta-da! Like that.
Nice.
And then one more time. Yay. Put them both down. And then we want to cut into small pieces for the taco. So, down this way. 1, 2. Next is the lettuce. Let's chop. I'm going to bunch the lettuce together. And then turn it. And we have to wash this, so put it here into the sieve.
Alright, let's wash the lettuce.
Wash the lettuce, and let's put it in the bowl. And some paper towel. Go. And we're going to try to dry the lettuce. Okay. And be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. Be careful, be careful. Okay. Right, and we have our lettuce. Ta-da. Just a little bit of water. That's about right. Looks good. We'll put that into it. Ta-da! We are ready. We have our meat, lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, onions, yogurt, sauce, cheese, and magic tortilla.
Okay, tortilla, we can eat it cold, or we can quickly wipe the hot plate with the paper towel and the tongs and clean a little bit. Okay.
Nice. Take our cold tortilla and put it onto the hot plate or frying pan.
Alright. You're ready.
We're ready. Yay. First, we want to put on our yogurt. Take a spoon in your tortilla. Spread it out. Next, we want some of our cheese. Sorry, no spoon. Now, a little meat. Melt cheese. Ooh. Okay. Next, our toppings. Get some onions. Satomi, do you like tomatoes?
No, I don't.
Okay, tomatoes. Cha-chan! Yay! Now we just fold up. Ta-da! One taco. Eat carefully.
Good luck!